Good evening, everyone. You're welcome to today's workshop. My name is Ezina Abo, so today I will be your host. We'll be looking at the importance of exercise because I realize that most people doesn't know that exercise have a lot to do when it comes to public health. So we are going to talk about how exercise relates and how important it is to public health. So why do you guys think sports is very crucial? Personally, I think sports is very crucial because it helps both young and old to remain fit. And each time we exercise, all the parts of our body participates. Sporting can also prolong one's life if done wisely and in the appropriate way. This means we shouldn't over-exercise ourselves. We have to take our time, know what is right for us to do at a particular setting. So when we participate in exercises, we have to look for the ones that we ourselves can do. This means there are some exercises that sick and aging persons cannot participate. Those kind of exercises might include long distance running, abdominal crunches, upright row, deadlift, high intensive interval training, because this might pose a very serious danger or harm to their health. So the sick people should have their own kind of exercise. And as young people, we should always have the zeal to participate in exercise. In fact, especially when it has to do with something that will benefit our country. As this slide shows, this should be the wish of every young person to make himself or herself proud, or even the country where he or she belongs. Now, from what we have stated earlier, we can see why we are focusing more on youth between the ages of 12 to 45. Now, the question might be, why do youths? So, why the youths? I'm focusing on the youths because they are the future generation. They are more elegant. They are more vibrant. They are more enthusiastic. And they are more committed. And it is always said that they are the leaders of tomorrow. This means we have to help them understand the importance of exercise and why they must exercise. So if you look at the slide I have here, you can realize a quote made by, I got it from online though, it actually interests me, where it says, don't work out because you think you need it. You need to do. Do it because your body deserves love, respect, and healthy attention. So we have to exercise because our body deserves our respect. It deserves to be fit at all time. So those who actually don't exercise, I think this quote actually goes to them. They have to know the value of their bodies. What makes exercise important, and why do you think the youths must learn and know a lot about it? We know that exercise is an activity of exerting your muscles in various ways to keep fit. This means without exercise, our bodies will not be fit. Our muscles will be very weak and we will become vulnerable to many sicknesses. Exercise also helps in digestion. I know most people actually don't have idea on that exercise helps in digestion. So we can also help the youth to understand that sometimes there are sometimes they can be having some constipation. When they participate in exercise, it will help. It boosts the immune. Someone having digestive issues can be advised by a physician or a physiotherapist to participate or to do some kind of exercise. And exercise can also be prescribed to someone having issues with addiction. Yeah, I have a friend who is addicted, and I always tell him to exercise. So it can also be given to someone who is addicted, so that the person will have something to occupy his or her mind to. And also someone who is having an anxiety problem, or emotional distress, we can also prescribe exercise to the individual. So what about excretion? We are told that excretion is the removal of waste metabolic activities from the body. It can also be through urine, which is one of the excretory substances, or feces, or even sweat. And we all know that when we exercise, we sweat. During that period of sweating, a lot of fats gets burnt. So when we exercise, fats are being burnt down. And then salt is also being released through our sweat. So we have to let the youths, the young ones, especially the youths, know about this. We also have to help them exercise frequently. How can we accomplish this? It will be accomplished if we are able to help them understand the importance of exercise. Therefore, this coming program has to be more exciting for them. So we'll help them by providing exercise equipment. As we can see there, we have the dumbbells, which is also called the kettlebells, but we have to first know their ages, the kind of lift they can lift, so that we don't kill them with excessive weight. So it is better we give them something that is appropriate to their ages. As I indicated earlier, sick people, there are some exercises they cannot do. The same thing, you can't give a child who is under 15 years some amount of weight to carry. You would rather be causing harm to the child. There should also be a coaching team. So as we can see here in my slide, my number 7 slide, slide 7, this is a coach helping the children to understand how exercise should be done. So we can also see a lady here being in front there. We can see the other people there exercising. This is how exercise should be done. We should have someone help us understand how exercise should be done, so that at the end of the day, we benefit from exercise. There are some tricks in some exercises. We have to know the trick, and it should be taught to us by our coaches. Personally, I know exercise is very good, and I can promise every single youth who watches this video that each time you exercise, your body becomes stronger and healthier. So in my next video or in my next workshop, we are going to look at various types of exercises, how to do them, and how they are done. Thank you so much.